To set publishing and unpublishing rules for your folders and assignments, please follow these tasks. So if I have a folder right here called examples, I'm going to expand it and I can see that I have assignments 1 through 5 listed in here. We're going to go through the process of publishing this for a certain date in different ways. So if I want to publish this folder, the publishing settings I apply to this folder will also apply to the content within it. So I'm going to select the gear icon to edit my folder. Once I'm to the edit screen, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to set a date. Now, if I wanted to start on a certain date, I would select publish on a start date. If I select publish on a start date, I can then select the date that I want it to be published on, and I can select the time if I want to as well. At this point, what I've established is that on this date, it will become published forever until I unpublish it. Click Save Changes. We notice now it's unpublished. It says unpublished, available after this date at this time. We're now going to take a look at another way we can set a publishing date. We can set a start and an end date. So I'm going to edit this again, and I'm going to edit it here. And I'm going to add an end date to this. And I'm going to say it's going to start publishing on this date, and then maybe it's the end of the unit, or maybe it's the end of the semester that I want to set so that it automatically unpublishes. And I can set a time if I want to. And then now what I need to do under availability is I need to change this, and I need to set it to published during date range, which tells Schoology, publish on this date, unpublish on this date. Let's go ahead and click Save Changes. And we can see indicated here, and the students won't see this. It'll just appear for them on 10/16 at 12 a.m., and it will disappear for them on 12/17, 11:59. Please be aware and know that the implications of publishing and unpublishing items for students.